Welcome to my channel Geezer Brain. Today I'll be telling you about the parts of books and the types of books. So let us start with the parts of books. I'm choosing the book Matilda to show you guys. So this is the cover page. On the cover page we have the author's name, the title of the book, the illustrator's name and the publisher's logo. This is the cover illustration. Now let's move on to the spine. On the spine we have the author's name, a small illustration and the title of the book with the publisher's logo. Now let us move to the back. On the back we have this which is known as the blurb. The blurb is basically a short summary of the book to help readers identify if they want the book or not. Here is the small illustration. This with a barcode, sometimes we have a barcode also. This area is known as the INCB. This line over here, the small line and this stamp is in this book because it tells you that Rondell is the world's #1 storyteller and it tells you that you should buy more Rondell books. Now let us go inside. This is the first page of the book. In this page we can write a name so that we know it's ours. Next it tells us about Rondell and his illustrator Quentin Blake. Now Rondell has written the characters' names. Not every book has the character's name, but some do. Next we have the other books by Rondell. Moving to next page. In this page, this is exactly same as the cover page. It marks the starting of the book. This is the credits page and the copyright page. Next, it tells us who the book is dedicated to. Now, we have the table of contents, also known as the index, in which the author has written the chapters followed by their page number. Now, the book starts. Now, let's go to the back of the book. Now, let's go to the end pages of the book. Here, in this end, it tells us about the website Rondell has created and his games. This is a competition that Rondell has held. Not every book has this, but some very rare books do. Here, it tells us about why these stories are good for you and about why should you read these books. This is the ender which Rondell always puts in his books. Now we have this book in which the author has written a letter to the readers, one is over here and one to the parents also. Next, this book also has a prologue. In this, it tells you about a small summary of the book and its series books. Like the books we have in its series, it tells about those things. So this is the two things that were not included in Rondell. Now I'll tell you about types of books. So let's start. Here we have a picture book. In the picture book, we have very big and very colorful images for children who can't read very well and they connect with the pictures. We also have some picture books which don't even have text like this. They are completely pictures. So these are for very young kids. Next, we have Gruffalo. In the Gruffalo, it's basically it's a flow book as it continues and has no chapters. As you can also see, it's not a chapter book. After this, we have graphic novels, which are also known as comic books, like the Dog Man, which has small boxes with dialogues and thought bubbles like this. Next type of comic books are like the Wimpy Kid. As you can see in the Wimpy Kid, there are small text with pictures, and we also have what we say thought like speech bubbles. Now we'll go to what we say chapter books. In chapter books, it's like we can see, as you can see this chapter, and then there's a new title that is to break the book and make it easy to read. These are the basic types of books we have. Thank you. If you learned something new, please kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.